Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria online with friends on mobile. The primary method involves one player hosting a world directly from their device, allowing others to connect. This creates a fun, shared adventure for up to 8 players. You'll need to ensure everyone is connected to the same local network or utilize a virtual private network for remote play. This simple setup gets you exploring vast worlds together in just a few moments. To host a game, first launch Terraria and tap on the multiplayer option. Next, select Host and Play and pick the character and world you wish to share. Once the world loads, your device will display an IP address. This unique number is crucial. Share it with your friends so they can connect to your game. Remember, a stable internet connection for the host is key for smooth gameplay for everyone. Joining a friend's game is just as straightforward. From the Terraria main menu, select Multiplayer and then Join. You'll then be prompted to enter the IP address provided by your friend, the host. Carefully type in the numbers, select your character, and tap Join. Within moments, you'll be transported into their world, ready to explore, build, and battle alongside them. It's a quick way to jump into cooperative adventures. For the best multiplayer experience, a few tips can help. Firstly, ensure everyone has a strong and stable internet connection to minimize lag. If playing remotely, using a reliable virtual private network, or VPN, can create a more stable connection. Also, clear communication among players about shared goals and world progress makes the adventure much more enjoyable. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work in Terraria, so collaborate and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.